What if I told you that one gadget can fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate your food perfectly? Meet the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. In the next few seconds, you'll discover why it's a kitchen game changer. It crisps your fries to perfection, roasts veggies evenly, reheats leftovers making them taste fresh, dehydrates fruits for healthy snacks. All this in a 4-quart capacity. The high gloss finish adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. Perfect for quick, easy meals. Energy efficient and faster than an oven. Versatility at its finest. Cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick basket. Ideal for anyone seeking healthier meal options. Unlock your cooking potential. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.